Hello everyone! Welcome once again. It's me, Janice Mae, your Paperbead Princess. We have a new tutorial today. Excuse the voice. Obviously, I'm sick. I have a hoarse voice, sore throat, but thank God this is a video and there's no way you can get it, right? So, we need the following for this project. We're making olive shaped paper beads like the easy way. Okay, you need sharp scissors or cutter if you have one. You need the ruler with a cork backing so it doesn't move. You need the bamboo roller, of course. There it is. You need just white glue, glue stick or any white glue, Elmer's glue, whatever. And of course, to finish your bead, you need the vibrance. And you can get this in my Etsy shop. You will have the link down there. So, the other thing you need is a magazine, which I'm sure you have. And I chose just this color, light color, so you can see when I line them up. Okay, so we are going to use the whole spread of the magazine like this, but fold it up like so. You will end up getting 2 strips of paper, and you will be rolling 2 strips of paper. But first, let's line up our paper. So we're going to make 1/2 inch bead, so that we'll be lining this 1/2 inch. And the first mark would be, I want to cut away that straight edge, so will be half of 1/2 is 1/4. So this part I'm going to discard. Okay, now you can start marking your both ends 1/2 inch. Okay, 1/2 inch, and so on and so forth. I'm not gonna bore you with this. You do the same thing on the other side. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Okay, next thing you do is you will just connect the 2 lines. Okay, very easy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a page that I already did. I have the finished page that I already line up. Okay, this is the 1/4 inch that I did, and then 1/2 inch all throughout, so that you will make uniform 1/2 inch beads. So when you cut this, I'm just gonna cut 2 strips just to show. This is the one that I'm discarding, okay, because they're not 1/2 inch. And then I start cutting them. So remember, these are 1 page folded, so you get 2 strips every time, and that's what you're gonna be rolling into a bead. I'm just gonna cut 2 just to show you. Okay, you see this? You'll be rolling it as 1, which is so perfect. Okay, and just to show you, trying to be more efficient this time by already preparing everything. So this is another piece, but 2 in 1 cut. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I already have one that I prepared. So these are the ones that I cut. All you need to do, okay, so let's say for example this one. You have 2 strips. The neat thing about the bamboo roller, it can accommodate 2 strips of paper quite easily. Makes your work easy breezy. Okay, and then you start rolling. So you are actually rolling 2 strips of paper that's cut the same. And the whole idea is that you will have uniform beads. Okay, for everybody, this is still me, Janice, with a different voice. So I'm gonna be doing another video when I'm all better. So you have 2 strips, okay? So take your white glue. I'm just gonna play messy today. So continue rolling your bead, and sometimes it buckles down like that, but just fix it. And there's your perfect olive shaped beads. And here's the other ones. They will be so neat as flower or bracelet or whatever you want to do with it. So till next time, I hope you learned something today. And don't forget, finish it off with the vibrance. Thanks for watching.